Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin HRM Tri. First, ensure your Garmin device is compatible with this advanced heart rate monitor. Next, wear the HRM Tri directly on your skin, under your clothing, with the Garmin logo facing upwards for optimal placement. Crucially, moisten the electrodes on the back of the strap thoroughly before putting it on. This simple step ensures excellent conductivity, allowing for accurate and consistent heart rate data transmission from the very start of your activity. To pair your HRM Tri, navigate to the sensor menu on your compatible Garmin device. Look for the option to add sensor or search for sensors within this menu. Once your device begins searching, the HRM Tri should appear in the list of available sensors. Select it and then confirm the pairing when prompted by your device. This establishes a reliable connection, allowing your heart rate data to be transmitted seamlessly during your workouts. The HRM Tri is designed for versatile data transmission. It sends real-time heart rate data to your Garmin device when you're out of the water. However, during swimming activities, the strap intelligently stores up to 18 hours of heart rate data internally. This is incredibly useful for accurate post-swim analysis. Once you exit the water and your device is within range, all that stored data is automatically downloaded, providing a complete picture of your effort. For optimal performance, remember a few key tips. You'll need to replace the CR2032 battery approximately every 10 months with typical use, ensuring continuous operation. After each workout, especially after swimming, make sure the strap is clean and completely dry to prolong its lifespan and maintain hygiene. If you ever experience connection issues, try moving away from other electronic devices, as interference can sometimes disrupt the signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.